Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Neil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndibanye, anamekelonu. I'm ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist, and you are tuned in to another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know how we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so shout out to Brittany. That's right, everybody give it up for Brittany. All right, so thanks Brittany for sending in your request for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Brittany to describe herself for me. And one of the things that she said was that her words and thoughts and ideas usually come to her in the form of music to express herself, right? So I thought about it and I was trying to think of the best Igbo name to give her. And I came up with the perfect one. Ife Kerema. Come on, say it with me. Ife Kerema. Good. All right, so you ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So Ife means thing. It just means like or something. It's just kind of like a filler word, you know what I'm saying? And Kere means to create. It also means to like divide, but it depends on context. In this context, it means to create, right? And Ma means good, beautiful, you know, anything positive, right? So you put all that together and you say, and you get Ife Kerema, which means beautifully made, wonderfully made, you know what I'm saying? And the reason why I gave her this name is because she's a creative, she has a podcast too. I'm gonna link it in the description below. So check her out, check out her podcast. She's a creative and she says that, you know, usually her words and her thoughts come to her in the form of music. So God created her well, created her to be a creative, and that's why I gave her that name, basically. Beautifully made, wonderfully made, made by her creator to be creative. Another version of that word is Ihe Kerema, so it's Ife Kerema or Ihe Kerema. It depends on what dialect of Igbo that you speak, but you might see that variation there as well too. They both mean the same exact thing. Ihe and Ife both mean thing or something, depending on which dialect of the Igbo language you speak. But yeah, so tag or share this video with all of the Ife Keremas or Ihe Keremas that you know. Thanks. Ife Keremas and Ihe Keremas names give them the power to be visionaries, charismatic, creative, and very charming. So what do you think? Is that a fitting name for her? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. Please like this video. Every like and comment goes a really long way. Hit the bell button so that you can get a notification every time I post a new video because you would have subscribed, right? Like I said, please share this video with all the Ihe Keremas or Ife Keremas that you know. And also share it with a friend who might also want an Igbo name. So if you have an Igbo name, let me know in the comment section or hit me up on my Instagram and I can feature your Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day. If you don't have one, that's cool. I can give you an Igbo name on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway, like on the next episode. So yeah, please like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for your support of this YouTube channel thus far. And yeah, I'll see you in the next episode. I appreciate it. Thanks.
Yo, wall up, you can't even get the scores up for us. I don't know what's up with our love, you forgetting all about